2020 has been an interesting year for the world. We moved out of our home and gave up all of our things to move abroad. We were ready to go just as the pandemic and lockdown unfolded in the UK a week later. So we've been staying with family up until recently, but this winter
we decided to live in Scotland.
To the beautiful Highlands! While exploring the
Waterfalls, lush green forests,
and stunning natural beauty. Scotland is one of our favourite places. We've been staying in the city of Inverness, which is the perfect area to get to so many amazing locations within an hour or two. We love the countless waterfalls and the huge forests, and of course the snow. These are things we just don't get living down south, so we find it extra special to see when we do.
Just by taking a drive, you'll never know what beauty you'll find. The journey through Heilan Coo is actually one of our favourites, especially in the winter.
So we're here creating content for clients, and we've also recently started teaching English online. We came across this natural sea arch near Port Knocky called Bow Fiddle Rock, which takes the name as it resembles the tip of a fiddle bow.
One of the cool things about teaching online is we get to come and do day trips like this, which is really cool.
Ten minutes away is the unique Finlater Castle, which sits on a 50-foot high cliff overlooking the Moray Firth. One of the coolest things we've seen in the Highlands is Duncaspy Stacks, right at the tip of mainland Britain. These unusual stacks dramatically stick out of the sea, making this landscape one to remember.
Only 20 minutes away we find this ruined castle sitting right on the edge of a cliff, overlooking the bay.
Only in Scotland would you find something like this. This video is kindly sponsored by TEFL.
Work's been tough this year, just like for many people, so we wanted to share with you a new venture that we've started to help us with our income. TEFL provide courses on teaching English as a foreign language. Once certified, you can teach all over the world, either in a physical classroom or online, like us. Because we planned to go abroad and wanted to be fully flexible while having a stable income, we already got the qualifications at the start of last year, and we didn't realise how important this plan would be till now.
Want to become a digital nomad? Check out our article linked below in the description for more information.